Hi, welcome back. In this particular session, I am going to explain the another important concept of function, which is nothing but a keyword parameters. So this is another kind of form, different form. So let's see what is keyword parameter in relation with function in Python. So the agenda for today's session is that we will see the positional versus named or keyword parameters. We will see one example and with demo. That example I will explain in Jupyter Notepad. So whatever we have seen before this particular session was the positional mapping for passing a parameter. So you can see here the positional mapping. So you can see, consider the following function definition. I have one function which is nothing but my fun. First parameter is this first equal to 1. This is default parameter. Second equal to 2. Third equal to 3. And fourth equal to 4. And then I am returning here nothing. None. Now following call uses positional mapping for parameter passing. So when I am calling this particular function my fun here equal to 11, so this is the positional mapping. That means it will be mapped to the first position, whatever the first position variables are there, that will be mapped to this one. If I am calling my fun 11 and 22, so 11 will be mapped to the first one, 22 will be mapped to the second one, and the third and fourth will have a default value whatever assigned to this. So third will have a 3 and the fourth will have 4, but the first will be having 11 and the second will be having 22. Similarly in this one, third one, here the 11 will be mapped to first, 22 will be mapped to second, 33 will be mapped to third, and the fourth will have a default value which is nothing but 4. Similarly here if you see in fourth, for function calling 11, 22, 33 and 4, 44. So the 11th will be mapped to this first, 22 will be mapped to second, 33 will be mapped to third, and the 44 will be mapped to fourth. So here no default value will be taken. So all four members variables parameter has been passed the value from the calling function. Now you can see here what is keyword and named parameter. So in earlier uh, PPT we have seen that we are passing uh, to that function as a positional parameter. Here what I am doing is we are passing as a keyword. So here first equal to 1, second equal to 2, third equal to 3 and fourth equal to 4. So now see how I am passing, calling the function with parameter. So here my fun second equal to 22. So I am explicitly saying that the second will be having 22. So this second will hold the value 22 and others will be having a default parameter. So that means first will have 1, second will have 22, third will have 3 and fourth will have 4. Similarly in this particular function calling, here I am saying third will hold 22 and first will hold 11. Order does not matter here. You can pass in any order. So the third will hold 22 and the first will hold this one 11 and remaining will hold a default one. So second will have hold 2 and the fourth will hold 4. Similarly here you can see in third one first 11, fourth 44. So first will have 11, fourth will hold 44 and others will hold by default which is nothing but 3 and 2. Similarly in this fourth function I am passing third equal to 33. So the third will hold 33, other will hold by default 1, 4, 2, 1. So I hope you would have understood what is the positional parameter and what is keyword or named parameter. So let's see this in Jupyter Notepad with Python code. So you can see here I am having a function with keyword parameter. So definition which is nothing but def keyword, my function first, second. So this first is not a default parameter, this is normal parameter. Second equal to 2 is the default parameter, third equal to 3 is the default parameter, and fourth equal to 4 is a default parameter. So let's run and define this function. So the my fun function has been defined. Now let's call by some parameter. So I am calling this 2. So 2 will be mapped to this first, but the third will be having 33. So the third will hold 33, but second and fourth will hold 2 and 4. So let's see what is happening here. So you can see here, first I am passing here 2, so it is printed first 2. Second is 2 because I am not passing second here. Third is 33, so third has been replaced with 33, and fourth is 4. So fourth is by default fourth because I am not passing anything here. Now if you see this one, so if you see why this one is giving error, because here the first one is not a default parameter. If you define like that, then it will not give error. So if you give this one and now you run this one, then it should not give error. So I need to define this one. So let's define this and then run this one, then you see. So it is printing here 1 2 33 4. But if you do not give default parameter here, then you have to pass this one at least first, and other one you pass or may not pass, that doesn't matter. So if I see here, if I am passing here 33, so let me run this first, so it will be defined again, and then if you run this one, then we should not get error because I am passing 33. Okay, so I need to pass it here, the first one, because I removed the default one. So one this, so you can see here 1 2 33 4. So the third one was replaced with 33, first 1 and then second 2 and 4. So you can see here 1, 2, 33, 4. So I hope you would have understood what is positional parameter, what is named and keyword parameter. If you have any questions, please put it in comment box. I will try to answer as much as